Hi, this is Bike Life here. Um, I know this is different than the videos that we normally do, but here I have a 97 GMC 1500 4.3 vortec. I was getting codes for p0300, random misfire, changed plugs, O2 sensor, wires, replaced the fuel filter, still the same issues. So the truck started, it would run in idle. As soon as I put it in drive, it would miss. Didn't hardly have no power. So I even went as far as unbolting the exhaust behind the Cadillac converter to see maybe if it was clogged. Still the same issues. So I started smelling fuel, having blue smoke come out the exhaust. Started smelling gas really strong. I'm like, hey, that's not normal. So I know I had a fuel leak somewhere. So I pulled the intake manifold off, where the spider injector is located. And I noticed, if you see here, these lines, they're toast. So what it was doing, it was flooding out terribly bad. It smoke pouring out the exhaust, it smelled gas fumes, didn't have any power. So this is what you have here. If you're having a p0300 issue or a random misfire issue, a lot of people say distributor, cap, rotor button, coil. If you got pretty good fire and spark, I really wouldn't dig into that quite yet. Like I said, plugs and wires normally will fix it. You got good fuel pressure. If you start smelling fuel, I would definitely look in, to this issue here. But it's been doing it for, I would say, maybe 2 weeks. I had a little miss driving. It goes 65, 70. But I can still feel that little miss. Over time, it kept getting worse. Like I said, I started changing plugs and, wires and O2 sensors and even, mass airflow. I changed that, still did the same thing, and it started getting worse. So if you start having that issue, I'll really look into this, because this could be your issue. It could be getting too much fuel to 1 or 2 cylinders. Me, I was getting fuel to 4 different cylinders. They were flooding out bad, to where I actually had 3 of them unplugged. Number 3, number 5, and number 6 were actually unplugged, and the truck was still idle, fairly decent. But as soon as you put it in drive and get on the throttle, you have nothing. So, fouled, carboned up plugs. 3 of them was full of fuel, gassed out. So, you might want to look into this issue if you have a throttle body injection.